Alright guys, before I start this video, we need to have a little bit of a chat. So as many of you guys know, I've just gotten to 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Now that's awesome, I appreciate every single one of you, and I kind of wanted to give back a little bit. So this video is actually going to have a giveaway in it. So all you got to do to enter this giveaway is leave a like on this video, leave a comment below, and once this video gets to 100 likes, I'm going to pick 3 different winners to win 3 different merch packages. Each winner is going to win 1 high quality print of a car that was featured on the channel and their own windshield banner, along with their own malicious intent t-shirt that's going to pop up right there. So if that sounds cool with you guys, make sure to hit a like, leave a comment, and subscribe with the notifications so you can see if you won or not. With that being said, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of pissed. Now why am I pissed, you might ask? Oh, you really want to know what's not letting me sleep at night? Do you really want to know what is grinding my gears at night? Do you really want to know what is baking my beans at night? I'll show you. That's my radio in my ass, right? Stock radio. It's pretty nice, you know. But look at this. I switch it to the disc setting, and it's trying. I got 6 discs in there. 6 discs in there. And it's just not gonna go. I can't take the fucking thing out. I can't take the fucking disc out. Every single disc that I have in there is stuck. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I have 6 CDs that I absolutely love in there and I can't get them out. Now I know what you're thinking, this probably isn't that big of a deal, just listen to the radio. And while yes, that statement does hold some merit, you also gotta understand who the fuck I am, alright? You see this? You see that? This is a 128 CD holder that is absolutely full to the brim with metal, alright? I can't listen to the radio. I can't. I've been listening to the radio for 2 weeks now, because this happened about 2 weeks ago and I haven't done anything about it, and I can't do it anymore. I cannot stand it anymore. All these TikTok songs on repeat, the entire fucking... I need metal. I need it. I'm gonna try to figure out why my radio ate my CDs, and I'm gonna see if I can somehow take them out without destroying them. I really hope so, because fuck. Alright, so I'm not gonna go too in depth on how to take this out. It's pretty easy, and there's a bunch of other videos out on it. Pretty much take that out, take that out, take that out, and then the radio should be bolted in, and you can take those bolts out. So let's just get into it. There she is, boys. Whole radio assembly with all my CDs inside of it. So let's go take it to the bench and see what we can find. Alright, so this is our radio unit right here. So up top, we've got the climate control. Obviously, that's going to be separate from the actual radio itself. So I'm going to go ahead and separate those and then see what we can get going. Ooh. You can kind of tell that somebody's already been in here, because that screw is stripped as shit, that screw is stripped as shit. So I'm gonna grab a socket.
When you hear me calling, it's you and me. Yeah. 'Cause I cannot fake it, no matter how I feel. Yeah. 'Cause you heal my aching heart when you come around. So really it's time.
Alright, so now I gotta figure out how to open this baby up. Now I think it's gonna be these two screws for this top cover, and I'm not really sure what else we gotta take off. So I'm gonna start with those. Okay. I see my CDs, but how do I get them out? Okay, so I've separated the disc changer from pretty much the rest of the radio, as you can see. So now I'm going to try to see if I can find something that's actually wrong with this thing and figure out how to take the CDs out. I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do. I don't know how the fuck I'm going to do this. But I guess we'll see. I guess we will see. Alright, so I figured out that if you pull this top piece off, there's just two springs holding it on. Two little guys that you can unhook. And then all your CDs are going to be in there. You can just push this thing up, and these can just pull straight out the top. Alright guys, so at the end of the day, I figured out what's actually wrong with it. So you can see these white pieces of plastic right there are the pieces that pretty much let each CD come up individually. Now they only work when they're in a certain position, because these notches on the CD holders will only go in certain spots where there's not a plastic extrusion. Now the reason that that's an issue, if you look at this little set of gears right in here, you can see when those are engaged, I can actually move that white piece, and then it just completely releases at a certain point. Now, what's going on here is that right about there, you guys can see there's a flat spot on that middle gear. So once I get to a certain point, it just doesn't do anything. And I can push it a little bit farther and engage the teeth there, but once I get around to the point where it's got no teeth, it's just free spinning again. So it looks like this is no good. I'm really not sure if those gears are available at all, and I kind of don't care because it is still just a stock radio. So I don't know. But at least I got my CDs out. This one specifically, that's my favorite CD, and I saved it. Not to mention, we got Fit for an Autopsy, of course, the shit. So the CDs will live on to see another day. The radio, however, probably won't. All right, so I've successfully extracted the CDs out of this thing. However, the mechanism's messed up. So there's really no point in throwing this back in the car. I think that I'm gonna get a radio on order so that I can, you know, get something new and actually working put in there. For now, I'm gonna just put it in I guess I'll have to listen to the radio for a few more days, which sucks, but it's better than nothing. But we're getting the thing replaced. So stay tuned. I will probably be going with a doubled-in touchscreen, and I'll show you guys how to install it and all that kind of stuff. So it should be a sweet video. I'm gonna go throw this in the car and see if I miraculously put it all together without it actually not working afterwards. All right guys, moment of truth. Does it still work? Hey.
Concentrate. To try to resolve it.
Looks like it works. So I didn't fuck everything up. I got my CDs out. Radio still works, so I can still use that for the time being. Let's order a doubled in, boys.